Guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of flies. Flies can be a real nuisance in the home. They are attracted to food, grab and unpleasant odors and can reproduce quickly. This can lead to a persistent fly problem, a health risk. You can do a few things to control the presence of flies in your home. First, keeping your home clean and free of food scraps is essential. This will reduce the attraction of flies. You can also use natural products to repel flies. White vinegar has a strong odor that flies don't like and pepper can kill them. To make a natural fly repellent, mix equal part white vinegar and pepper. Put the mixture in a small dish or cup and place it in areas where flies are problem. If you have a persistent fly problem, you may need to call a professional pest control company. This specialist can assess the situation and take appropriate measures to control the infestation. So don't let flies bug you. Take action today to keep your home fly free.